In Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, we can split its screen so we can use two apps at the same time. We can do this by using some method. In this video, we will do split screen from the recent app screen and from the Edge panel. Now let's do the first method. To split screen from the recent app screen, first you have to open both apps you like to open at the same time. As the example, we will open Chrome browser and Note, so we can easily copy some text from Chrome to Note. Now tap the recent button to see all recently opened apps. Find Chrome browser app. Single tap on the Chrome browser app icon and then select open in split screen view. Now select the second app you like to open. In this case, select Note. Create a new note. Now select some text on your Chrome browser. And then drag the text to your note to easily copy the selected text. Next, the second method. To split screen from the Edge panel, open the first app. As the example, we will open Gallery app. Next, drag the Edge panel handle and then find the Apps panel. Now, tap and hold onto the second app you want to use in split screen view. Drag the app to either the lower or upper part of the screen. As the example, we will select Note. However, if you cannot find the app in the Apps panel, you can tap more apps icon to view all your apps. So you can select the app and open it in the split screen view. Now you can use these two apps at the same time. As the example, you can easily drag a photo from your gallery to your note to copy it. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.